In today's video, I'm going to show you how to color code your calendar in Notion. Whether you're managing a busy schedule, juggling multiple projects, or you simply want to make your calendar more visually organized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Notion workspace and go to the calendar page you want to color code. This could be your main calendar or a specific project calendar. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of your calendar view for a toggle-like icon that usually looks like stacked sliders or switches. Click it to access your calendar's customization options. Next, click on Edit Properties. Here, you'll configure the properties that determine how your calendar items are categorized and color-coded. If you don't already have a property for color coding, click New Property and choose either Select or Multi-Select depending on whether each calendar entry will have one category or multiple. Give your new property a meaningful name like category or status, so it's clear what it represents. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you've thought about the types of tasks or events you want to organize beforehand. Doing this will help you create meaningful labels and save time while assigning colors later. Once you've created your property, add options by typing in labels such as urgent, meeting, or personal. Click on each option to assign it a distinct color. After that, close the Properties menu, then go to the Conditional Color option in the Calendar View settings and click New Color Settings. Select the property you just created. This tells Notion to apply your color coding to your calendar items based on the labels you assigned. Finally, start assigning these property options to your calendar entries. You'll immediately see the colors appear in your calendar, making it so much easier to scan your schedule and understand what's coming up. It's also a good idea to update and refine your labels as needed to keep everything organized and consistent. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to color code your Notion calendar easily and efficiently, giving your schedule a clean, visual structure. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Why not make someone's day easier?